Adobe any software discount you will get on this video. Also, if you are a student, teacher, or if you are a new user, now you can use Adobe software totally for free for a few months. Also, I'm going to show you the discount that will work for you with confidence. Just you have to go to this website. Also, you can click my video description link, then you have to click on this continue button, then it will redirect you to the official website. Here you can see all of this software you can use totally for free for a few months. Also, you will get the latest discount. Now here you can see, you just click free trial, create your account, download the software and use totally for free for a few months. But if you click on this see all plans, then you will see all of their software discount, and here you can see the best value software you will get the discount. Also, you can check out their others software that you can buy totally in the discount price. Also, you can try 30-day totally for free. The good part is, here you can see, if you click on this student and teacher, you will get 60% off discount. Here you can see all of this software you can use 60% totally discount, which will make you feel happy. Also, here you can see schools discount all of this product, and you can check out the business product, also individual product. The good part is, if you also go to the website again and click on the continue button, then it will also redirect you to the official website again. Now let me show you how you can get the special offer and discount. Here you can see right now you can save up to 60% off. Now if you go to the website last option, here you can see, I just scroll down, then here you can see the student discount and the teachers discount. Here you can see also, if you open it in a new tab, then here you can see right now you can try free trial. Also, you can buy the software 60% off, best for schools, student and teachers discount. Also, here you can see the special offers. If you are a new user, just click on this special offers, then it will show you all the Adobe software latest discount that will help you to save money, so that you can learn, you can grow your skills, then you can make a right decision that you should continue with the paid plan. Here you can see 30% off, 60% off, all will give you the best opportunities. I hope my video help you. Make sure you like my video, share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.